Welcome to Glorious Assembly Prophetic Ministry, aka Glory Land. Weekly activities: Tuesday, hour of solution 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Wednesday, counseling day 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Friday, covenant prayer with God 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday, impartation service 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. You have to know that with God all things are possible. With God all things are possible. Note this: being in the presence of the Lord is fullness of joy. Being in the presence of the Lord make you to understand the greater things God has done in your life. Joseph Ojon Lucky, Chief Host. Church Auditorium, Second Lake off Paul Ogiawe, the Self-Psychiatric Hospital fence off Ituwo Winner Road, off Benin Auchi Road, Benin City, Edo State. Come and remain blessed. Hallelujah.
Come on, can you lift up your voice tonight and declare, you are God?